Welcome to Code Funhouse. Get ready to dive into the world of coding, where imagination meets technology. Hey there, future creators. Have you ever played a game and thought, I wish I could make my own game? Or maybe you've seen a cool app and wondered, how did they even do that? Well, guess what? You can make those too, and programming is the secret. Today, let's talk about why learning programming in 2025 is the coolest thing you can do. We're talking about bringing your wildest ideas to life, just like magic, but with code. Let's play a quick game first. Okay, so, you know how much you love building things with Legos, right? Spaceships, castles, giant robots that could totally crush a city, but, for good of course. Well, coding is basically the same thing, but instead of plastic bricks, you're using lines of code. Each line of code is like a single Lego block. It does one specific thing. But here's the really cool part. When you start snapping those lines of code together, just like you do with Legos, you can build some pretty mind-blowing stuff. We're talking about real-life video games that you can share with your friends, websites that look like they were designed by a professional, and animations that would make Pixar jealous. And the best part is, you already know how to think like a coder. Remember when you were little and you'd spend hours building elaborate Lego towers or designing intricate racetracks? That's the same kind of problem-solving and creativity that you'll use when you're coding. You're already experts at connecting things together to make something awesome. So trust me, when it comes to coding, you've totally got this. What if I told you that learning to code is like getting your very own, real-life superpower? I'm not talking about flying or telekinesis, although that would be pretty sweet. I'm talking about the power to control technology with your mind. Okay, not literally with your mind yet, but with code, you can literally tell computers what to do. Think about it, you can make things happen on a screen just by typing in a few lines of code. Want your name to flash in rainbow colors? Boom, done. Want to create a robot that dances to your favorite song? Totally possible. Coding is like having a direct line to your computer's brain and it listens to you. Imagine the possibilities. You could create an app that helps you study for tests, a game that lets you explore different worlds, or even a program that automates boring tasks for you, like cleaning your room. Hey, a robot can dream, right? But it's more than just making cool stuff happen. It's about having the power to solve problems, to be creative, and to make a real difference in the world. And that's a superpower worth having. Chapter 3. The world needs your ideas. Think about all the awesome apps you use every single day, the games you play, the websites you visit, the videos you watch. Every single one of those things started with an idea in someone's head. Someone just like you who thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool if... And then they learned to code and made it happen. Now imagine if your idea could be the next big thing. What if you could create an app that helps people learn a new language? A game that teaches kids about climate change, or even a website that connects people from all over the world? The possibilities are literally endless. And here's the thing, the world needs your creativity now more than ever. By 2025, technology is going to be everywhere. In our homes, our schools, our cars, even our refrigerators. And who's going to create all that cool stuff? That's right, coders like you. So, don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. The world is waiting for your unique perspective and your brilliant ideas. Who knows, your next coding project could change the world. Chapter 4. It's fun. Okay, let's be real for a second. When you hear the word coding, does your brain instantly think boring, difficult, something only geniuses can do? Well, I'm here to tell you that those thoughts are totally wrong. Coding is anything but boring. In fact, it's one of the most fun and rewarding things you can learn how to do. Think about it. With coding, you can create your own games. And I'm not just talking about simple games, I'm talking about games with crazy characters, challenging levels, and awesome storylines that will keep your friends hooked for hours. You can even add secret cheat codes that only you know about because every great game developer needs a few tricks up their sleeve. But it's not just about games. You can build apps that solve fun challenges, like designing a virtual pet that you have to take care of, or creating a program that helps you create the perfect pizza topping combination. Pepperoni and pineapple, anyone? And yeah, you can even use your coding superpowers for a little bit of harmless mischief. Imagine being able to program a robot to prank your siblings, nicely of course, or create an app that changes the channel on the TV when they're not looking. The possibilities for fun are endless. So ditch those boring textbooks and unleash your inner coding ninja. Trust me, you won't regret it. Join the fun at Code Funhouse. Interactive challenge time. Quick question. If you could build a robot, what would you make it do? Type your answer in the comments below. Would it be a robot chef, a homework helper, or maybe something totally wild? Let's hear your ideas. Here at Code Funhouse, we make learning to code super easy and fun. You don't need to know anything about programming. We'll guide you step by step. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, just like building with Legos. So, are you ready to turn your awesome ideas into real things? Head over to our YouTube channel page at Code Funhouse and watch more awesome videos. Let's unlock your coding superpower together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends who want to be coding heroes too. Let's make magic happen.